So you're a beginner and you're trying to figure out how to invest $1,000. Trust me, don't even bother trying to put it into some drop shipping store or whatever. We're going to get into that and I'm going to tell you exactly what to do, and I'm going to show you step by step what I would do if I lost it all and had to start from scratch.
Welcome to the Roughnecks. I'm Rico, your ecom instructor. I'm a software engineer, a military veteran, and a six-figure ecom seller. I've helped over 400 students on Amazon alone and thousands more make money online. If you need to know anything about making money, you're going to find it out right here.
Yo, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the Roughnecks Ecom channel. I am 𝗦𝗧𝗥𝗘𝗘, aka Rico, and I will be your instructor. And over here we talk all about how to make money online and offline as well. That sounds good. Make sure you subscribe, click the little notification bell. But let's go ahead, let's get into today's topic. So as a beginner, you guys are probably trying to figure out what to do. You're like, man, you know, I have $1,000. How would you invest that $1,000? Maybe I should buy a course. Maybe I should do this. Maybe I should do that. Let's talk about this for a second. So let's say you have $1,000. That's it. You have $1,000 to your name and you're trying to break into something. You want to get into affiliate marketing, or maybe, doing Facebook ads. Or you want to get into Shopify. You want to get into, some type of drop shipping. You're going to buy a course. That's the dumbest thing that you can do with $1,000, because most courses are going to be, $997. All right, not a good thing. Not a good thing to spend your last $1,000 buying a course, because you're not going to have any money to do any of the things that you are learning inside of that course, right? So, like, granted, yes, I have an Amazon course. It's, with Dan over there on the 𝗬𝗢𝗅 channel, whatever. But I would not recommend buying a course if you're down to your last $1,000. Okay, and I'm gonna show you why. The quickest way to make enough money, to get enough capital, to get into what you're trying to learn is not gonna be that. And more often than not, it's not gonna be that. Now, in some rare cases, you can. If the course is cheap enough and there's enough value in there and you have enough money left over, you could potentially get lucky. All right, and people do get lucky. People get lucky every single day, but you're probably not going to get so lucky as a beginner. You have a lot to learn about e-commerce, and you're not going to necessarily know where to begin, so you're probably going to spend a lot of money just throwing it all around. So we're going to get into the Roughnecks computer, so stick around. I'm about to jump in there right now. I'm going to show you step by step what I would do in order to make more money and keep the money that I have. All right, so let's get to it. Most of you guys are probably already freaking out. You're like, oh my God, $1,000, I buy a course and I'd be making tons of money. As I said before, buying a course is going to do you no good, okay? Literally going to do you no good right off the bat, because anything that these people are trying to teach you, you're gonna need money to do. You can't get into drop shipping with no type of money, all right? You just can't. No matter what anyone says, you need money to get into drop shipping. You need money to get into FBA. You need to get money. You need to have money to get into wholesaling. You need to have money to get into the ATM business, all types of stuff. You cannot jump into some type of business without having any type of capital, unless you're doing what I'm going to show you, okay? So if I lost everything, guys, I lost everything. I was a normal everyday person. We're gonna look at it from someone who does hair and makeup, right? Hair and makeup is a service-based thing. You're generally not, gonna be doing any type of drop shipping or building out software as a service or any of that stuff. So let's break down what you would do if you were in the hair and makeup industry. And this pretty much applies to anybody who has any type of skill. Okay, doesn't matter if it's photography and all that, but let's break this down. So if you were in the hair and makeup, this is just an example, people, just an example. This is exactly what I would do if I had $1,000 and that was it. My other bills were paid, but I was running short on cash. All I had was my last $1,000. I would literally come over to Craigslist. I would look for a photographer right here. Look at this. This is in Philadelphia, guys. It's Center City. Photographer starting at $50. Perfect. It would still leave you with $950, okay? You would hire a photographer, headshots, portraits, that type of stuff. You would hire a photographer or a videographer to capture your work. This goes for anything. Doesn't have to be hair and makeup. It could be if you have a lawn service, if you wash cars, detail, if you're a mobile mechanic, if you're a dog groomer, does not matter. You need to be able to showcase your work. If you were not good behind a camera, or you just can't seem to capture the right shot, find someone who's cheap. $50. Come over here, here's his profile, let's check this out. My man does pretty decent work, okay? Pretty decent work. You're not looking for like baller status, everything. This man does pretty good work. Look, his work speaks for itself, okay? No problems here. I think he does pretty good work for $50. Why not? Okay, why not? What do you have to lose for $50? There, if you guys are in hair and makeup, this is how I would style. I would make sure I created an Instagram that showcased my, hair and makeup. All right. Look, this is what you want to do. Trust me on this. This works. This works every time. Look at this. Showcase your artwork. Showcase it. See, this is makeup, hair done by this person, you know, hair and makeup done, all this. You want to be able to showcase your work. Getting good photos like this only serve to show that you are good at what you do. All right. People will want to come to you if you can provide them with top-notch service at a price that's affordable to them. Now, once you build your repertoire, then you can start charging more, or you could start getting into other things. But for the time being, you want to showcase some of the things that you do, okay? All right, now, in order to take that to the next level, because you're not gonna be showcasing your stuff on Craigslist, you're not gonna be posting ads on Craigslist, okay? It does work, but it's not near as quick, all right? You're trying to get the most bang for your buck. So now that you got a photographer who has decent work, they're gonna showcase, they're gonna take photos of your work. And in this case, this is hair and makeup. So photos are gonna be taken of your work. You're gonna set up an Instagram, business Instagram preferably, so that way you can get your metrics and you can see when your audience is engaging with you and stuff like that. But that's, you know, further down the line. You do need to be able to showcase your work. Instagram is a great place to do that. Then what you're going to do is come over and get a Facebook banner made. Why are you gonna get a Facebook banner made? You're gonna get a Facebook banner made because you are going to create a professional Facebook page, okay? Professional Facebook page. Why is that? Because you're going to be running Facebook ads for your business, all right? This is exactly what I would do. I would get a banner made, you know, for my professional Facebook page. As you can see, this person is a Zillow agent or whatever, you know, maybe this is like a dance, something, this is a liposuction clinic, all types of stuff, but get you a banner made, get you a good banner made so that way you can run Facebook ads for your business page. You want a good banner, you know, set up so that way when people check out your business page, it doesn't look all scammy and, you know, just trust me, this is gonna work. It works every single time. All right. And then from there, you know, that work that you got done, you know, all your photos and stuff like that. See, you come over here, you get a Facebook ad, you know, made up for you. Okay, you get a Facebook ad made up. You know, you can use pretty much anybody. And like, yes, guys, I do use Fiverr. Actually, I use Fiverr quite often. You know, you can come. Anyone can make you a Facebook ad. Look at this, $10 here. You know, it's not that expensive. You know, if you don't like someone's work, find somebody else. You know, you can do this one even. Look, see, not bad. Whatever you want, just come over here so you can get a Facebook ad, get Facebook ads made. All right, over here, you know, people messaging me and stuff. But then you come over here and look, this is my, you know, professional Facebook page. Like, I just created this one not too long ago. You know, my Two Dudes page, you know, is obviously much more robust, but this is a new one. This is, you know, my new page. You have to grow it. It takes time, but you need to have a professional Facebook page so you can run Facebook ads. And that is exactly what I would do, step by step, all right? And I know what you guys are saying. I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh my God, this is so stupid. Why would I do that? Okay, service-based businesses are the quickest way to make money, hands down. If you are on your last dime, a service-based business costs you almost nothing to do, right? Almost absolutely nothing. You're not going to spend anything other than your time. Okay, that's what you need to realize. You're trading your time for money. After you get more money, then you can start getting into other things. You can start getting into drop shipping. You can start getting into wholesaling and FBA and all this other stuff. But when you first start off, you are not going to have that level of income. All right, if you are not working, you do not have the means to get into drop shipping or running like a social media marketing agency. You're just not going to have the income. You're not going to be able to run ads. Like, you guys have to make money in order to do that. So if you have your bills paid, you have a good skill, you know, a skill that can pay, you know, you can run a service-based business. That is exactly what I would do. I wouldn't even bother trying to get into anything else. I wouldn't bother buying a course, you know, on Facebook ads, Shopify, Amazon, nothing. Like, if it was my last $1,000, I wouldn't spend it on a $997 course. I would not. That would be foolish because then you have no money to apply any of that knowledge. All right, because it takes money to apply that knowledge. Like, you can't just go off, take an Amazon course or a Shopify course and be like, okay, I'm good to go. Because you need money in order to run ads for Shopify, to maybe have someone help you build your page. You know, if you're not going to put in a sweat equity, you need to be able to pay people. Plus, you know, you're going to need capital to place orders and all that, because if you get put in PayPal jail, or Stripe doesn't pay out on time, you know, how are you going to place those orders? Same with Amazon. Amazon pays out every 2 weeks. You know, you got to have capital. You got to have money sitting around so that way you can keep placing orders or re-up with your FBA supplier. All right. So like I said, guys, from start to finish, literally go right here to Craigslist. I would find a photographer or videographer that could showcase my skill set, the work that I've done, whether that be landscaping, hair and makeup, detailing, pet grooming, whatever, does not matter. You can create a service-based business. Then I would, you know, see, this is this guy's work. This is his ad. This is his work. Pretty good. You can use it. Use this guy. He's in Philly. He starts at $50. Use them. Then I would come over here. I would start getting photos taken of all my work. Look, so these, you know, pretty professional. They look good. You can start using these for your ads. All right. You're going to create a Facebook banner with your work. Get a Facebook banner created because you're going to need a professional Facebook page because you want to run Facebook ads and you want those ads to be ran against your professional Facebook page, right? So you get a banner made, you get some Facebook ads made, you come over here, you find someone that you want to make your ads, make them look good, like, you know, whatever, choose anybody you want. But Facebook ads made, why is it taking so long? Oh, sorry guys, it's taking way too long. I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, get Facebook ads made, okay? Facebook ads, get them made, you know, get a banner, get some Facebook ads, and then come over here. You know, you need to have your professional Facebook page so that way you can run Facebook ads. So your ad center, there's no ads being ran right now. You know, you don't really want to create an ad, you know, from this page. You want to create an ad from the ads manager, but you know, you could create an ad if you wanted to. You can boost the Instagram post, you get more leads, promote your page, whatever you wanted to do. You can get started automated ads, but that's not what you want. You want to go to the ads manager, okay? You want to go to the ads manager, create $5 Facebook ads. I'm not going to go into super detail on creating Facebook ads in this one. I will just show you guys exactly what I would do. I will, I promise, show you guys how to do your Facebook ads in the future, depending on what you're looking for. But yeah, that's exactly what you do. All right, from start to finish. If I only had $1,000 left, I would literally do that. Okay, I don't know why you guys are making it so difficult. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. Do not try to think that you're smarter than the system, because a lot of you guys are going to be like, no, I'm going to take that $1,000, and then you're going to be out of money entirely. You're going to get no sales, and then you're going to be looking stupid. Do not do it. Do what works. Lay the foundation. Get your money coming in, right? You want money to continuously come in. A service-based business is good for that. So that way you have capital to get into other things. If you don't have capital coming in, how in the world are you going to get into these other things that those courses are teaching? You're not. All right. So there. If you guys have any questions, please do leave a comment below. I will get to you. I will answer whatever you need to. I got you guys covered. Also, make sure you get into the free Facebook group below, because I drop all types of, you know, freebies in there. And, you know, be safe, be smart. Hopefully you found this video informative. I'm going to catch you guys later.